Solo ads are a great way to drive traffic to your sites and to build a list. If you don't know what a solo ad is, it's where you pay somebody to email their list of subscribers and to email them your offer, whether it's a paid or a free offer. Most commonly, it's a free offer where they would opt in for something to get onto your list. So therefore, it's a great list building tool. Now, in this video series, I'm going to be showing you 6 solo ad vendors or list brokers that can tap into millions of subscribers. I mean, the smallest solo ad provider here has about 60,000 subscribers, but that's the exception. All the others have access to millions of subscribers. So this is not your typical solo ad Rolodex in which they just show you various solo ad vendors that have lists of 5,000 to 50,000. Okay, we're talking about big solo ad vendors here and list brokers. Okay, another thing that makes this different from most solo ad courses or Rolodexes is that this one doesn't cater just to the internet marketing niche. Because if you look around online, look for solo ad courses or Rolodexes, they usually just provide you with a list of solo ad vendors that cater to the internet marketing niche. Okay, so in this video series, I'm going to be showing you the vendors that cater to not just internet marketing, but all types of niches from health, finance, political, self-help, almost anything that you can think of. If you're involved in any type of niche marketing, some of these solo ad providers may be of help to you. All right, so with that said, let's move on from here and let's check out the first solo ad provider on my list here. So we'll see you in the next video. This is arcomax.com, the website of Arcomax. And if you're looking to send out a solo ad and you're in a small niche, or it doesn't really matter what niche you're in, this is a great solo ad provider. They cover almost every niche out there. They have a reach of over 1 million subscribers. And if you just look around their site, they offer different advertising services. So not just solo ads, but they also offer coverage, banner advertising, and also offline list rental. And if you look around, you could also look at the list of all their newsletters. They have dozens and dozens of newsletters in various niches, so they have subscribers in almost every niche out there. Now, just a few highlights of Arcomax. They do online tracking, they do A/B split testing. You can also target by zip code, and you could also do demographic targeting. So basically you can direct your offer to, or basically segment it to gender, location, marital status, income, age, and so on. And so basically you can efficiently allocate your online marketing budget so that you send your messages to people who are much more likely to respond. Now here is Newsmax.com. Newsmax has a reach of over 10 million subscribers, and the niches that they would cater to are health, finance, lifestyle, charity, political, and maybe some other niches related to those. And about Newsmax, basically they focus on the conservative political space, slightly to the right of Fox. And their users are generally affluent and care about health, finances, and politics. So right now I'm just on their media page. If you scroll down below, you could read more information on this page. And basically, their readers shop online according to this page, and that they donate generously to charities, and political causes. And so basically, the important thing for you here is that Newsmax readers are buyers. All right, and if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you could also download a media kit in PDF format. Okay, but once again, I just want to stress to you that these guys have a reach of over 10 million responsive subscribers. So definitely worth checking out if you want someone to send out a solo ad for you for your website in one of those niches that they cover.